Hi, welcome to another bookkeeping tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you the process of recording sales invoices into web. So, to create an invoice, you need to go to sales and payments option and click it, and you can see there are invoice option here. Click invoice, and after that, click create an invoice. I have some dummy data here. This is the customer name, Mike Bennett, and the date of providing the service to you, the customer, the service provided, the amount, and the invoice name number. First of all, I need to add the customer name. If you have already added that, so you do not need to add the customer name. In my case, I haven't add the customer, so I am just creating a new customer. Click save. Then there is invoice number, which is WW801. The invoice date is 25th of April of 2023. So from 2023, then go to April, 4th April actually, 4th of April of 2023. And let's say the due date is on receipt. Next, I need to add an item. In this case, the service provided to the customer is dog walking service. So just click and create an item. Okay, and additionally, if you want to put any kind of description, you can do so. I'm gonna leave it blank, and the amount is 865. Just recheck that everything is in order. And one more thing, if you want to actually attach any kind of file in the attachment section, you need to go to the Web Pro, because the Web is not similar to QuickBook or the Zero. They have features that allows you to actually attach any kind of document to related sales or record or purchase in free version. But in Web, this actually is their limitations. They are offering this service only into Web Pro. So then click save and continue. And in this section, the sales invoice is actually not recorded yet. You can see the status is in draft. So after the approval of your client, or if you have any superior or your managing manager to which you are obliged to report, so you need to actually have some authorization from them. After getting the authorization, you can click approve the draft, or they can click approve the draft. And if you go to invoice, you can see the Mike Bennett. The invoice number is 801, and the sales amount is 865 is recorded here. So this is the process of recording sales invoices in web, pretty similar to other cloud-based softwares like QuickBook or Zero.